Simone Genatt, and I'm the chairperson and founder of Broadway Asia and the creative conceiver of Forever Broadway.
My name is James Gray. I am the director and choreographer of Forever Broadway.
Hi, I'm Naomi Keikook. I'm the associate director choreographer of Forever Broadway.
I am so excited to be coming to the Star Dream Cruises.
Excite the audiences with a unique, spectacular dance production.
We are so excited to bring all of the best of Broadway to Star Dream Cruises.
We can't wait to see you in